Why are people with thousands of pictures in their phones always stuck on what to post on social media? If a picture is truly worth 1,000 words, then we should never run out of things to say or post. Welcome to day 18 of Content Repurposing Tutorials, where I'm sharing with you 30 days worth of time-saving content ideas for all of you busy creators out there. Today, I'm going to show you how to repurpose the pictures in your phone by putting text over those pictures. One of the simplest ways to do this is right inside of Instagram. So we'll click on Instagram, and what we're going to do is press this plus button right here, and we can go to Story. Now that we're in Stories, we're going to click this icon here and find an image. I'm going to use this image right here. All we have to do is go over to text and type in our text. Great, now that we have this in here, what we're going to do is just press these three dots and we are going to save them to our camera roll. Once we've done that, we can actually come out of here and we don't have to share it. We can go to our plus button and that image should be selected since it's our first one. Move it around, press next. And now we don't have to put any filters on it, but you have that opportunity as well. And you can press next again. And you can share this image. So this would be a 1080 by 1350 right on your screen. But this is a great way to take an image and also share it with a thought on it for your profile. Now I'm going to show you the exact same thing inside of Canva if you want to customize it just a little bit more and have some more flexibility. Let's head on over to Canva. Now we're inside of Canva. We're going to press that plus button. And we are going to look for an Instagram post that says 1080 by 1350. This just gives us the opportunity to have more space to share what we have to share. And we're going to go to our camera roll. And once we're in here, we're going to look for that same image that we used just a little bit earlier. And here we are. Add it to page. This is where you can further customize it. So you can either bring out the edges to make it larger, or you can change the background and make the background a different color. But this is just a great way to make the graphic just a little bit different. You can use your brand colors here to be able to also share your message. We can press X here and add some text. So we'll go over to text, and this is where you can add a heading or a subheading or look for some text that's already done for you. And you want to look, if it has the crown here, this would be the pro version, but there are, once again, plenty without it. I'm going to choose this one here because I like the way that it looks. And I'm just going to move this up, change the verbiage. I'll change the text by clicking on it and then going to edit. And I'm going to change it to love and learn. Okay, press done. What we can do is expand that so it goes onto one line. And then I can put Abby teaching afar. Press done. Now, if I don't like the where that is, I can click on this again and I can ungroup it since these two are together. Press ungroup, and now I have the ability to kind of move this down a little bit under those lights so that you can actually see. Once I'm done here, I can just download it straight to my phone and then head back on over to Instagram and press the plus button, and we see our graphic here. We can press next and continue to share that information. Add your description. You can save it or post it right away. I know sometimes content creation can be a little bit daunting, but when we think about what we have in our hand, the possibilities are truly endless. Take some time to review your photos and pull out those stories that you can share with some text over the photo. There are plenty of other ways that you can further customize this to fit your needs. You can add text to speech. You can add some moving videos or animations, and I've made videos about them already. So be sure to check out the text to speech video and also how to make videos with your pictures. Don't forget to tag me when you post them on social media, as I'd love to check them out. I'll see you tomorrow.